Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to integrate Slack with Evernote, your full 2025 guide. First, we need to open Slack and find the app directory. You can find it by clicking on More in the left sidebar, then selecting Apps. The reason we do this is to locate the Evernote integration, which will allow us to connect these two powerful tools. Next up, we search for Evernote in the app directory. Once you find it, click Add, and you'll be redirected to a new page. The reason we need to add Evernote is that it initiates the integration process, setting up the connection between Slack and Evernote. Now that we've done that, we need to authorize the integration. You'll see a green Authorize button. Click on it. This helps us because it gives Slack permission to access your Evernote account, ensuring seamless interaction between the two platforms. Once you've authorized the integration, let me explain what's happening behind the scenes. Slack and Evernote are now communicating with each other, sharing information to improve your productivity. You can now post notes directly from Evernote into your Slack channels or DMs, all without leaving Slack. Now, you might be wondering how to use this new integration. It's simple. Just type /Evernote followed by the command and the title of the note in any Slack conversation. This will pull up the note from Evernote right inside Slack. The reason we do this is to save time and effort. No more switching between apps. And that's it. You've successfully integrated Slack with Evernote. Remember, the goal here is to streamline your workflow by bringing your notes directly into your communication hub. Thanks for tuning in, and see you in our next tutorial.